Alright, so this is the HOVERair X1 Pro Max, and I've been wanting a HOVERair drone for so long for solo traveling. It's really hard to get epic shots of beautiful places you've been to without some kind of photographer or crazy tripod setup, but this launches from the palm of your hand, so super stoked. Let's check out what's in the box. Okay, time for a little unboxing to check out all the fun things inside. I love a good unboxing moment because as a graphic designer, I love when things are presented neatly and cleanly and just packaged really well. It comes with this protective carrying case, which feels pretty sturdy but also compact, which is nice. Especially if you're trying to travel light, it's nice to have everything in one place. Now that I'm holding it, I'm realizing how small and light it actually is. And I love how easy it is to just pop open the wings, and it really fits in the palm of my hand. These wings feel really safe too. I like that this has this protective cage around it, so I don't have to worry about slicing my fingers from the blade, and I feel pretty confident that I can make it land on my hand without stressing too much. It folds down so easily and it's such a nice size. It comes with a spare battery and this 65-watt charger, and I love how neatly it fits in the carrying case. The case protects everything really well, and there's even some extra space if you wanted to add a few more cables. It also came with these pretty cool stickers if you wanted to customize your drone too, so that's kind of fun. Other things I found in the box is this little carrying bag, which is great for keeping your drone clean from bits of sand, sunscreen, and other things that are in my beach bag, and an extra cord for your charger so you don't have to go out and look for one. So this is the flexible but strong material they use to protect the drone. I've seen some videos where they talk about how many times the drone hit the tree and it showed no signs of damage, which is pretty amazing. It makes sense because look how flexible it is. I can twist it around, but it still reverts back to its original shape. Alright, this is what it looks like powering it on, and I have a feeling it's going to become my new favorite travel companion. It's so easy to cycle through all the different filming modes too.
Current mode, zoom out, follow, orbit, bird eye, dolly track, ski mode, cycling mode, indoor follow.
It folds down to about half the size of a paper bag and weighs under 200 grams, making it super easy to toss in your day bag before you even get your sunglasses on. Solo adventures, rejoice. I can finally capture myself exploring without pro gear or a second pair of hands. And let's face it, solo traveling, the best part is just going at it on your own. So let's see what this beast can do. just started exploring what this HOVERair drone can do, but even as a beginner, I managed to get some really great shots. So hopefully this video gave you a better idea on its capabilities and some inspiration for footage you can try for yourself. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next adventure, wherever that may be. Bye guys!